After a few deep breaths, I decided to not do something that would result in a huge scene and probably police involvement. 10 minutes later, we're at the front of the line, and UBOL orders some ridiculous skinny soy chai latte, no whip extra shot of espresso or some such. Seeing as the place was packed, they were asking people for names to write on the cups as usual. But of course, UBOL was too busy talking on her phone to hear the cashier ask, and walks over to the coffee pickup area without as much as a thank you. So cashier just passes the cup along to a barista without writing a name. A devious and discreet way to get back at her starts forming in my mind. But would it work out? Would she be oblivious enough? I place my order, give my name, and saunter over. By now, there's probably like 12 people waiting for their drinks, with one coming out every 10 to 15 seconds, and the barista either calling out a name or the order. UBOL is very obviously not paying attention, animatedly chatting away on her phone, and facing the wrong way, yet obviously impatient with the tapping of a foot, and crossing of arms and sighing while looking at watch. Good, stay that way. Her drink is made, barista calls out the drink, she doesn't hear. Perfect. I go over, pick up her drink, no name on it, wait for mine, thank the barista, then start walking out. As I pass her, the wicked streak in me makes me say to her, have a great day, while raising the hand holding her drink to wave. She glares at me with the fury of 1,000 suns, completely misses the fact that I'm holding her drink, and gives me the cold shoulder, still tapping her foot and looking at her watch. I dearly wanted to see how long she waited before realizing something was up, and actually asking about her drink, and how much longer she had to wait for them to make it again. Those special drinks take forever, but as much as I would have loved to see her face, I had work to get to. All was not lost, however, as I still had an extra drink that I had no interest in. But we did have a very hipster receptionist who was completely into the organic soy health craze, and who positively beamed at unexpectedly getting a free skinny soy latte to start the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.
To help her with her golf clubs. So a couple years ago, I had a summer job at a pretty nice golf course. I spent my time between helping members out with their bags, / cleaning clubs, / storing them, and working behind the register in the pro shop. There was always this one really rude older lady who was always condescending when she talked to me, and instead of asking me to do things, she ordered me to do them. And while they're not mandatory, she never tipped either. I always put up with it because it wasn't my place to get involved. Fast forward to this week. It's opening day, and now I have a better job and as a result of membership at the same club. As I'm loading my own bag into my cart to go out and play my first round of beer, lo and behold, this lady steps out of her SUV and starts waddling towards me. I immediately knew she was about to ask me to get her clubs, and I'd be lying if I said I didn't get a bit excited about the opportunity to finally buy her back. Hey you, get my clubs on the cart. I'm gonna play 9. I told her very calmly that I no longer worked at the club. She basically replied with, I don't care. You will load my clubs onto the cart or I'll speak with the pro. I told her to go ahead and she marched into the pro shop. A few minutes later, her and the pro walk out and he notices it's me. He tells her that I don't work at the club anymore. At this point, she's fuming. Well then, who's going to load my clubs onto the cart? The pro walked over and helped her out with her clothes, and as she was walking past, she mumbled something at me under her breath and gave me a nasty look. The pro made it all worth it when he stopped her and said, listen, I understand the confusion, and I know you've been a member here for a long time, but OP's also a member here. You can't treat other members like that. If anyone else has ever been in such a situation, you would know how good it feels to hear something like that. Long story short, she didn't say another word. I don't work here, lady. And no, I'm not here to babysit your kid. Playground character. So I live in an apartment block with my wife and kid. Down the road is a restaurant / bar / pokie machine / entertainment venue. Quite large. Picture the place you'd take the family for cheap, good meals and a beer. There's 2 cool things about this place. 1, you have to be a member. Just to sign up, really small fee. 2, for my kid, it has a playground. Given the membership deal, it's pretty much a Suite A private playground for her 80% of the time we go. It's in a closed-off area and extra safe. No way, once you're in there, could you run off and fall from something. I take her all the time. There's one part that's like a room at the top of one part of the playground where a few small kids can sit. So I take my kid, playing,